Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Homemade Indian Food. Today we're going to be making a highly requested dish, Rajma Chawal.
We've seen that a lot in the comments.
Red beans and rice, can't go wrong with that combination.
Nope.
Also like to say a special thank you to everyone who's requested this dish. RV, Kapil Verma, Subham Hansraj, Anil Yadav, and Anuj CH. Got a new one in there last night.
Oh, okay.
Nice. Hope I pronounced everyone's names correctly. Thank you very much for the requests.
Yes, we'll try it out.
Let's do this.
Okay.
Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to use to make our Rajma Chawal. We have the star of the show. We have the Rajma, the red kidney beans. I have 1.5 cups. I have 1 onion diced. I have 3 small tomatoes, also diced. I have 6 sprigs of coriander leaves, chopped up. 1.5 tablespoons of coconut oil. 1 green chili, diced. I've also removed the seeds and the spine to reduce the heat for Mumzies. I have 1.5 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. I have 1-inch knob of ginger julienne. 1 bay leaf. 1.5 teaspoons turmeric powder. 1/4 teaspoon of red chili pepper powder. 1 teaspoon of garam masala. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi. And lastly, 1.5 tablespoons of coconut cream. So that's it for the ingredients for the Rajma Chawal. Let's go ahead and get the Rajma in the pressure cooker and we'll get started. So the Rajma was rinsed really well. It was soaked overnight. I changed the water on it twice and I placed it in the pressure cooker with 4 cups of water, and we're gonna cook these for 18 minutes. And after 18 minutes we'll check them. They shouldn't be too soft, but they should not be al dente either. They should just be nice and kind of mushy to the touch. So let's get these started. Now we're going to add the onions to 2 cups of boiling water. And we'll just blanch these for about 2 minutes. Okay, the onions are finished blanching. Now we're going to go ahead and zap them in a blender real quick. So we just blended up the blanched onions and made a nice onion paste out of it. We'll set this aside and let it cool. Okay, next we're going to make a tomato puree. So put the tomatoes in the blender, and I've also added 2 tablespoons of the Rajma so that it will make a nice thick consistency for the puree. We have a medium-sized skillet over a medium flame. We'll add the oil. We'll get the oil melted down and then we'll start going on the spices. Okay, the oil's nice and hot. Now we'll add the cumin seeds. And the bay leaf. Next, we'll add the ginger garlic paste. Now I'll add the onion puree. That looks nice with the purple color from the onion. Now we'll add the tomato puree. And we'll cook this for a few minutes until the fresh raw smell from the tomato goes away. Okay, now we're going to add all the powdered spices. First, I'm putting the turmeric powder in. The garam masala. The red chili powder. And the coriander powder. And get that mixed in. Now we'll add the cooked rajma to the blend. Next we will add the green chili. And the julienne ginger. And we'll let this simmer for about 15 minutes. Okay, it's finished simmering. Now we'll add the kasuri methi. We'll add the coriander. And lastly, we'll add some of the cream. Time to put it in a bowl and put it to the test. Wow, how's that looking?
It looks so good.
You ready to try
I
it?
am excited, yes.
All right, let's do this. Well, are you ready to try this?
I am ready. Spoon's ready.
First time trying Rajma Chawal. It
Smells.
looks so good.
Yes, and the aroma is so nice.
And since we put it all pretty in a bowl today, I'm going to be going with a spoon. Hope that doesn't upset anyone.
Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah. The Mumzies happy dance.
It's so good.
Wow.
So good.
Red beans and rice are always just the perfect combination.
They are. Yes, they are.
We have a dish in the south part of the U.S. in Louisiana that the Cajun people make. Mm-hmm. The red beans and rice is just...
That's one of your favorites.
So delicious. This has all the makings of it, but
Elevated.
just different spices.
Yeah, elevated.
Yeah, definitely elevated.
Yeah, definitely.
So good. What do you think of the spice level?
It's there, but it's not as much as the last one.
Yeah, I
we've
mean,
done.
I only put that little bit of the red chili powder into it, so it shouldn't be too spicy.
Well, you put the green chilies in. But it's good. It's very good.
Oh, that fresh ginger too. That's so good. I just got a big piece of that. That was nice. Wow. Well, what do you guys think? Did we do this dish right for you? Yeah, let us know in the comments what you think. I think it's fantastic.
It's really good. It's
Yeah.
really, really good.
Yeah, and I'll put a link in the description for the recipe that I followed. Yeah, super good.
Very tongue tingling.
Yeah, thank you so much, RV, Kapil Verma, Subham Hansraj, Anil Yadav, and Anuj CH. Thank you, thank you. This is
Thank you.
excellent dish to try.
Yes, definitely.
Had a lot of fun making it too.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty easy,
Yeah.
straightforward.
Straightforward.
Could just eat this all day.
Well, this might be a staple for our fall and winter.
Yeah, this is definitely a comfort food.
Definitely.
Yeah. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. Until next time, Adhish Sharma, what will the next dish be? Thanks so much, everyone, for watching.
Bye.